Hi guys, I welcome you all to my channel CS.NET Lectures. So in this session, we are going to discuss about another very important conversion type of arithmetic expression. So it is, if the expression is given as prefix, how we are going to convert it into an infix expression. That is, in short, we are going to convert from prefix to infix expression. Okay, so before going into the solution, we are going to see some 3 steps of how to solve this problem. Okay, so if they have asked you to convert from postfix to infix, so for that also we are going to follow the 3 steps but a little bit of reverse direction. Okay, so now we can see what all the steps, that is the 3 steps needed for converting from prefix to infix expression. So the rule number 1 or the step number 1 is always start towards right. So you must have to start converting the expression from right of the direction. Okay. So the rule number 2, stop searching from right once you have found the first operator. Okay, so you are going to stop searching from the rightmost direction once you have found the first operator. So the third step is, once you have found the operator, you are going to shift the operator towards left of the expression. So you are going to shift the operator towards left of the nearmost expression. Right? So these are the 3 steps that we are going to follow until we are finishing to convert the respective infix expression. Friends, are you clear? So these 3 steps, if you remember, I think you will be able to solve this expression very easily. So start from rightmost as the first step. Okay, so another short trick I just want to tell you so that you can easily keep it in your memory. So the thing is, if prefix to infix start from right, I told you, isn't it? So pre-right. So like this you remember. Right friends, now are you clear? So shall we go for problem discussion? Okay. So friends, this is the given expression. So I am going to solve this into infix by using all the 3 rules which I have mentioned it now. Shall we proceed? Right. So now start from the rightmost direction. So if we start, the first operator is plus, isn't it? So where I must have to shift it? I must have to shift it towards the nearest operand, which is here I. Write the remaining expression as it is, because for each and every step we are going to take one operator and shift. Then only it will be easy for you to put the problem rightly. Okay, for that purpose only. So minus plus asterisk b slash plus minus adc minus gh, shift it. You will get as I plus j and k. Right? So another thing is that for each and every expression, if you are going to solve, use an open and close bracket. So it will be clear for you when you go for each and every step. Right. So once again you start from right. So once you start from right, you will get as a minus operator. Right. So this is the next operator. So shift it here. So the nearest operand is G. So in between that I am going to shift it. Minus plus asterisk b slash plus minus adc. So if you shift, you will get as g minus h. Use an open and close bracket. So I plus j and k. Okay. So now we will go for searching from rightmost. So once you start to search from rightmost, the next operator you are going to see is minus operator. So once you see, we are going to stop it and we are going to move it to the nearest operand, so which is here A. Right. So now shift it. If you shift, you will get as minus plus asterisk b slash plus a minus d c. Okay. This is the left out operand which we are going to solve it in the future. Keep it as it is. G minus h, I plus j into k. Right? Friends, are you all clear? Can you be able to follow my way of writing the steps? Okay. So now we will proceed. The next step is start to search from right. If you are searching from right, you are going to find plus as another operator. Stop the search. We are going to shift it towards the left of the nearby operand. Here if you see, this is a complete expression or an operand. We can take it as an operand, isn't it? So you take it as operand 1. Okay. Now see as another one, operand 2. So you are going to shift to the left of the nearest operand. Okay, so see how I am going to write. So minus plus star b slash. Here I am going to write, isn't it? So put a bracket, write the expression first operand a minus d, then plus, can you follow? Then c, isn't it? So now this whole one is now an operand, right? So now take the remaining expression as it is. So g minus h, I plus j and k. Okay. So now we will go for the next step. So once you start from right, you are going to find slash as another one operator where you must have to shift. So if you visualize, so the whole part is operand 1. Okay. So the next operand is this one. So operand 2. So I must have to shift left to the nearest operand. So that is this one. Okay. So now you write. You will get as minus plus asterisk b. Okay. Put one bracket. Write this first operand as it is. So a minus d plus c. This is one operand, isn't it? Now insert slash. Write the next operand. So g minus h. So now close the whole bracket. So now write it as it is, I plus j and k. Now if you see, this whole part is an operand. Okay friends, are you all clear? Okay. So now we will go for the next step. So again start to search from right. When you are going to start from right, you will find asterisk as the next operator where you must have to shift left to of the nearest operand. So here it is b. So I am going to shift it. Okay. So if you shift, you will get as minus plus, put a bracket, b asterisk. So this is now your operand 1. This whole expression is your operand 2. Okay. So now now we write the remaining expression as it is. Then a minus d plus c and slash g minus h and then complete it. So there is one open bracket, isn't it? So I must have to close it. So if you see, this whole one is one operand. Write the remaining expression as it is. So I plus j then k. Friends, can you follow? Right? Shall you proceed? Okay. So as there is no space, I will write it here, friends. So I write it here. So the next operator is plus, isn't it? So I must have to shift it to the nearest operand. So this is operand 1 and this is your operand 2. So if you shift, you will get as minus, put a bracket. Okay, so this is your complete expression. Okay, write the first operand. So b asterisk 3a minus d plus c slash g minus h. Okay, I have written one operand. So where I must have to shift? Here, isn't it? So slash, plus and I, this is my next operand, isn't it? So plus j. So now close the bracket. Friends, are you all clear? So now if you see, this is one operand. This is one left out operand is k. Okay, so only one operator is present where I must have to shift left of the nearest operand. So if I shift here, the expression will change as minus. So now this is your complete expression. Friends, are you all clear? I didn't write the next step because only one operand operator is present. So I have directly written it. Okay friends, so this is the way you must have to solve if prefix expression is being given and you are asked to convert it into an infix expression. Okay friends, so I think so this class will be very useful for you. I also suggest you to practice these types of mini questions so that you will be able to solve it in a fraction of a time. Okay friends, bye and thank you.